Why monkeys do eat bananas. When monkeys do eat bananas, they enjoy them because they're high in sugar and calories, making them an efficient energy source. The soft texture makes them easy to eat. They're rich in potassium and other nutrients. The sweet taste is naturally appealing as it signals high energy content. The wild truth. Most wild monkeys rarely encounter bananas as we know them. Modern bananas are cultivated fruits that don't naturally occur in many monkey habitats. In fact, wild bananas are full of hard seeds and not nearly as appetizing as the cultivated versions. Nutritional context. Zoo veterinarians actually recommend limiting bananas in monkeys' diets because they're too sweet compared to their natural food